Srinagar. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a two-day visit to Gujarat ahead of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's birth anniversary on October 31st. He's inaugurated a slew of projects since this morning. He's now at the Sardar Patel Zoological Park, popularly known as Jungle Safari. Live visuals coming in. Prime Minister Modi there. Prime Minister Modi in Gujarat. This is a two-day visit and he's right now inaugurating a slew of projects. He's right as we speak at the Sardar Patel Zoological Park, popularly known as the Jungle Safari.
Important aspects of this Jungle Safari is that this land would have otherwise been wasteland, and it was in fact one of the dumping yards of the steel and other metals that were being used in the building of the Narmada Dam. And it has been transformed and now it's been made a place which is habitable, a place of habitation for 186 species of fauna and several birds as well from different parts of the world. And quite an experience then for anybody who wants to go in there, because you see these in their natural habitats, and the Jungle Safari has also tried to preserve.
Well, there is a live visual coming in of Prime Minister Modi's visit in Gujarat today. In fact, Prime Minister Modi has inaugurated a host of projects, including, of course, right here, the Jungle Safari visuals coming in. He's also inaugurated the seaplane service between Kevadia and Ahmedabad. Prime Minister Modi there on a two-day visit to Gujarat, during which he's inaugurated a host of projects. He's arrived on Ahmedabad this morning. He's there on a two-day visit. Prime Minister Modi there is scheduled to launch a host of projects. He's already completed a few. Right now, he's inaugurating the Jungle Safari there. In fact, this was quite a weighted moment for those who have been working hard for months together, right after the pandemic eases out, situation eases out. Of course, we're still in the midst of the pandemic, but yet work goes on. Prime Minister Modi lands in his own state of Gujarat to inaugurate a slew of projects, and here is Prime Minister Modi inaugurating the Jungle Safari. And this is Prime Minister's first visit to Gujarat since the coronavirus outbreak. In fact, Prime Minister Modi visited the family of former Gujarat Chief Minister Keshubhai Patel in Gandhinagar as well a little earlier. He also paid respects and went to the residence of Keshubhai Patel, paid tributes to him as well. Visuals of that too have come in. Prime Minister Modi, since this morning, has been hosting quite a few events as he is the main guest of honor. He inaugurates a slew of projects, and this is the Jungle Safari that he's taking a visit and also inaugurating at a time when the entire country now, of course, battling the COVID-19 pandemic. Here we're looking at situation easing out across most parts of the country, in Gujarat as well. Prime Minister Modi has now inaugurated a slew of projects, even as business gets up and running, when work gets back to action. Here, Prime Minister Modi there initiating a few projects in Gujarat. He's right now inaugurating the Jungle Safari here. Visuals of Prime Minister Modi there in a cart, taking a good look at the Jungle Safari. He's been guided. Live visuals coming in of Prime Minister Modi there in Gujarat. He's inaugurated the Jungle Safari. In fact, Prime Minister, this is the first time that he's visited Gujarat post the COVID-19 crisis. Here is Prime Minister Modi there taking a good look at the Jungle Safari even as we speak. In fact, Prime Minister Modi is also all set to pay tributes to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel at the Statue of Liberty near Kevadia on the occasion of the birth anniversary of the first Home Minister of independent India. And this will happen on the 31st of October. That's tomorrow. Prime Minister Modi there on a two-day visit. Today, it's been an action-packed day for him. From the start of the day, he's been out and about. This is the first time Prime Minister Modi there in Gujarat after the COVID-19 crisis. Prime Minister Narendra Modi there, the first that he inaugurates, the Sardar Patel Zoological Park, popularly known as the Jungle Safari. This is now developed near the 182-meter tall Statue of Unity, which is dedicated to the Iron Man of India. The zoo here is expected to house, in fact, wild animals, birds bought from all over the world. This is a proper jungle safari that will be one of a kind in India. Prime Minister Modi there inaugurating it, visuals coming in live. Here is the jungle safari that Prime Minister Modi has inaugurated, which is also called the Sardar Patel Zoological Park. And it's developed right near the Statue of Unity. Let's take a listen. Mustafa joining us live from the spot. Mustafa, take us through what you see here. Prime Minister Modi in Gujarat post the COVID-19 crisis. He is inaugurating a slew of projects. This is a beautiful jungle safari, the zoological park, the iconic park, which will eventually become a landmark. Prime Minister Modi inaugurates it. Live visuals coming in. What do you see on ground?
Yes, of course, Nabila. Since morning, what we are getting to see here at this location is that there is an attempt to create an international level infrastructure for tourism, be it zoological park, Statue of Unity was there, and now there are other things which have been added on. If you see that there are a lot of things which can attract the tourist here, be it lightings in the evening, and there are some basically meaningful things like the nutritional values for children. So whatever children eat, what is the nutrition value of those things? So it's education, it's entertainment, it's a total encompassing tourism which is taking place in Kevadia. It used to be a tribal land, but if you see from here acres and acres, the land has been completely developed. If you see ahead here, that's the outside gate of a zoological park, zoological safari, which the PM Modi has just inaugurated, and he has went inside this zoo, and there are animals which have been brought over from all around the world to add value to this entire place. So yes, it started in 2018 with Statue of Unity, but now it looks like an internationally tourist spot, a tourist circuit, which will attract tourists from all over India. Back to you.
Right, Mustafa, we understand that Prime Minister Modi is on a two-day visit. He's got a slew of projects that he's going to be inaugurating. Any idea on what's the itinerary for today and tomorrow?
Yes, Nabila, if you look at today's itinerary, which was clearly involving the tourism circuit in the entire Kevadia region, what we got to see is that there were gardens, biological gardens, which were inaugurated. Now the zoo safari, which is being inaugurated, and then there will be light and sound shows, which will be inaugurated. But adding to this, tomorrow there will be inauguration of seaplane, which will ferry passengers between Ahmedabad to Kevadia, which is this location of tourism spots. So Ahmedabad is the capital, connecting it with Kevadia. There is the transport line which is coming up, and hence that seaplane project will be inaugurated. Also, being the birthday of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, PM will be coming at the Statue of Unity in the morning. So it's a two-day visit. It's the first visit of PM Modi after the COVID-19 lockdown happened in India. It is first visit in Gujarat, and he's inaugurating a slew of projects, big infrastructure tourism project for Kevadia, and he has dedicated 2 days for the entire inauguration of this slew of projects. It will be thrown open from 1st of November for the tourists across the world. Back to you.
Right, Mustafa, here we're looking at Prime Minister Modi there. He inaugurates the zoological park. In fact, the Jungle Safari, as it's called, Prime Minister Modi inaugurates it. We're looking at visuals coming in from the Jungle Safari, the park there, where Prime Minister Modi is taking a good look, and all those animals have been brought in from all across the world. This is a one-of-a-kind zoological park that has been inaugurated in Gujarat just as of now, as we speak. Prime Minister Modi, live visuals coming in of Prime Minister Modi taking a good tour at this zoological park here. In fact, this comes on the heels of Prime Minister Modi paying homage to former Chief Minister of Gujarat, Keshubhai Patel, who passed away on Thursday on the arrival at his home state for a two-day visit.
इंतजाम किए गए हैं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री इस समय उस सेक्शन में हैं जहां अभी उन्होंने बाघ को बहुत नजदीक से देखा और अब दूसरी तरफ जाते हुए एक ऐसा माहौल।
Let's quickly here are glimpses of Prime Minister Modi taking a good look at the zoological park there. I'm going to take this to Mustafa. Mustafa, have you got a chance to enter the park, the zoological park, the jungle safari? It looks stunning, quite a unique setup. We saw tigers. We understand that animals from all across the globe have been brought in. This is quite going to be an iconic place, a landmark indeed in the times to come. Take us through the importance of this place.
Development takes place and as cities grow and human...
Yes, Nabila, unfortunately we have not been able to get a glimpse of the zoo because it has been just inaugurated by the Prime Minister. But what we hear is that yes, from international zoos, these animals were brought in here. There are zebras, there are kangaroos, there are Asiatic lions, the Gir lions of the pride of Gujarat has been also brought in here. There are other types of animals, wild animals, as you see, tiger and other animals which have been brought in here. There have been huge enclosures which have been provided to them. So what is happening here is that if you see this entire region, it's a mountainous region, and from that mountainous region a section has been taken out for the safari. So this is the section just opposite the premises of Statue of Unity. This the gate which we are showing you. This is the section which has been taken out. Huge enclosures have been given, huge enclosures for wild animals, huge enclosures for birds have been given. So this is a major tourist attraction in this area, because if you see the entire project, there has been something for each and every member of the family to make it a better tourism spot. And also, as we were speaking about boat services, as we were speaking about seaplane services from Ahmedabad to Kevadia, so it is connecting major cities with this small sleepy village called Kevadia in the Sabarmati district. If you look around here, there was nothing, but in the 2013 the conceptualization of Statue of Unity started, which was 182 meters long, and after that the entire the circuit, the tourism travel circuit which has been being opened up. It's really infrastructure investment on tourism which has been made in this tribal, what used to be a tribal land. We are seeing what you're showing you is this the Sabarmati the dam which we are showing you. That's the another landmark, and this is the location at which the Sardar Patel statue stands tall. So there are a lot of things for a tourist to see here. What is important here, Nabila, attraction, because things are opening up just after COVID, and there's a complete picture, as we were speaking, that there are things related to environment, there are things related to handicrafts where people from skilled people from all over the country can come and sell their goods. There are such safaris which are taking place in huge enclosures, and what is guaranteed is a sighting of tigers and lions and zebras. So these are huge investment which have been taken place all around. You will see we are in the pet sections of the where your sheep and goats are kept, but the wild animal side is opposite on the zoo safari side. So there has been a total, if you see, investment, be it zoo, be it environment, be it handicrafts, be it the connectivity, be it the sound and light shows. So the entire day can be spent easily in this area, area called village called Kevadia once you come here. So a big boost for tourism in Gujarat, in Kevadia, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who can be a better person to inaugurate all these infrastructure projects. In fact, the local officials here said that it was conceptualized by Prime Minister Narendra Modi when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, and now when it's coming true, he is taking the tour, inaugurating and taking keen interest on how things have worked out for this entire village. Back to you.
Right, no doubt. Mustafa, what we see there is Kevadia, like you said, the small town has now world-famous attractions, including this jungle safari, of course. Prime Minister Modi has also inaugurated the Arogya van that he's inaugurated, that has hundreds of medical plants and herbs, and also provides information about their usage and importance. This is the Arogya van that's developed as one of the many attractions right by the Statue of Unity site. This is again very close to this jungle safari. The Arogya van also is going to be a major tourist hub in the country. Prime Minister Modi there inaugurating a slew of projects, and all this comes right amidst the pandemic. Remember, India is currently looking at COVID-19 situation, right? We're in the thick of it. And even though we're glad that the daily case count has become half, nearly we've cut down by 50% the daily case count of COVID cases. And while the country is fighting the pandemic, at the same time, the country is also bouncing back on its feet. Business is up and running now. People are out there with precautions, with all the COVID protocols, attempting at getting back to work and boosting the economy. At a time like this, here are a slew of projects that Prime Minister Modi had in the pipeline. It was pending for quite a while. Due to the pandemic, it was withheld. But now, finally, the inauguration has happened. Prime Minister Modi has visited Kevadia, Gujarat, and inaugurated a few areas, including a few projects, including this jungle safari. He's also inaugurated the Arogya van. These are going to be major tourist hubs in coming days. As per the official statement, the newly developed Arogya van there, particularly right beside the jungle safari, is also spread about 17 acres. And it's got 5 lakh plants and 380 selected species. Now, the same with the jungle safari, where they have wild animals and birds from all across the globe that have been brought in to be part of this fabulous jungle safari. Here is Prime Minister Modi. They are taking a good look at the jungle safari while he inaugurates it. Live visuals even as we speak.
उनके चारे के लिए भी खास प्रबंध किए गए हैं और इस तरीके से
Now coming up next, politics continues over Munger in